And we now cut across to breaking news coming in. This is the latest statement from Union Minister Lalan Singh, who has defended the role revision. He has asked what is wrong in seeking citizenship proof. He has gone on to say that seeking citizenship proof is not unconstitutional. Listen in to that statement.
कि चुनाव आयोग का जो फैसला है वह कोई लोकतंत्र को मजबूत करने वाला फैसला है। अब चुनाव आयोग ने गहन पुनरीक्षण का जो कार्यक्रम चलाया है, उसने कहा है कि जो मृत हो चुके हैं उनका नाम मतदाता सूची में नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो अब नागरिक तो है नहीं इस देश के। जो इस देश को छोड़ के अस्थायी तौर पर विदेश चले गए हैं, बाहर रहते हैं, उनका मतदाता सूची में नाम नहीं होना चाहिए। तो इस देश की नागरिकता का प्रमाण लेना कौन सा असंवैधानिक काम है?
We see how the opposition has been upping the ante as far as Sir is concerned, so much so that statement that came in from Rahul Gandhi yesterday, that he said he will not let the poll body get away with it. And the Sir protest that is on in full swing. In fact, it even led to tearing that copy of Sir and throwing it in dustbin. Opposition in a full frontal attack on this very issue. But we just heard from Union Minister Lalan Singh, who said that what is the harm in asking for citizenship proof. Let me take this to Aishwarya Paliwal, joining us on the broadcast on how the war is only escalating between both sides.
Well, we are seeing how the war, obviously, as you also rightly pointed out, is escalating on both the sides. We are also seeing that none of them are ready to back off. A very stormy parliament time that we are seeing. Most of the opposition parties are outside, right outside the Makardwar. Various issues that they want to be spoken about on the floor of the parliament. What we are also understanding at the moment is that the government has now made an outreach. We understand that the top leaders of the BJP are now seeking time and have also met Mallikarjun Kharge and have also met Rahul Gandhi. The idea and that from what we know, the government is now trying to make sure that the house functions. That's the priority. From Monday, we will see fiery tit for tat, which will be being done. 16 hours have been given. Both the houses, we will see the leaders speaking about most of the issues that they want to speak about. They want the clarification coming in. What happened exactly with regards to India and Pakistan? Was the US involved in the ceasefire? Those are the kind of things that we are now looking at. We also understand that with regards to this meeting, we will see the temperatures now calming down. We will see the opposition now willing to speak on the floor, and we'll also see these kind of protests which we have been seeing over the past 5 days. Those kind of protests, the number definitely will come down after this very crucial meeting.